Hi again. We are going to continue our chapter 1 of FIN365 Introduction to International Banking. So still in a subtopic of factors of international banking growth, the first factor, which is trade bloc or agreement. So what are the advantages of the trade bloc? Okay, apakah kelebihan trade bloc itu sendiri which contribute towards the growth of international banking? So the first one, the advantage in terms of economic of scale. So I think you have learned in economic subject what does it mean by economic of scale. We can also refer it as a kind of extra cost incurred when expanding a certain production. So merupakan kos yang berlaku sekiranya kita cuba expand production dengan lebih tinggi. So in terms, we can also refer this one as the economic of scale itself, right? So in terms of international banking, what happened is that when the trade bloc is being agreed together, sometimes we can also lower the charges of interest on loans, which is being provided by this international banking. So this is what we call related to the economic of scale. So apabila perjanjian ini dibuat di antara dua negara ataupun lebih, kan, kita katakan sebagai international banking ini mampu untuk mungkin bersaing lah dengan bank-bank yang ada di antara these countries yang enter into agreement. So bila dah banyak, especially 2 or more countries together, so bank ni bila dia nak further dia punya production, of course they will try to offer the best service and the best offer that they can actually offer to their customers. Such as kalau dia nak offer loan scheme, mungkin dia boleh charge lower interest rate untuk menarik customer untuk deal dengan bank tersebut, kan, right? So this is the advantage lah bila kita buat trade bloc dan sebagainya. Secondly, is a kind of cost effective or productive. Lebih jimat kos, lebih production itu menjadi lebih produktif. Okay, depends on the countries as well lah. Countries mana yang enter into the agreement. Okay, dan number 3, increase in demand. So normally, yes, when they actually try to open their countries in terms of economy, so there will be a kind of increase in demand. Okay, depends on what are they produce, right? Depends on what are they producing. Such as if you take a look on China, when they expand their economy and open their economy to the world, so you can see right now they almost a kind of conquer the productions, right? So everything is from China right now, kan? So itu yang berlaku lah. Okay. Second, the factor also we can actually refer it to as low marginal cost, right? So when these countries try to open their economy, trading towards each other, right? So what kind of low marginal cost? Okay, so when they try to actually deals with another country, so we can also take a look on the home country, which countries that they come from. So managerial and marketing knowledge developed at home country can be used abroad with low marginal cost. Okay, so SWOT analysis also can be done to reflect the strength, the weaknesses, the opportunities that they have, and any threats that coming from their home country. So for banking as well, it's also incurred the same marketing and managerial issues, right? For example, when I give you an earlier example, like from China, right? So for example, when China opened their economy to the world, to the global economy, right? So what happened is that they are offering productions at a lower cost. Okay, mereka menawarkan production pada kos yang lebih rendah. So that's why we can see that previously why Apple, Samsung, and any other companies as well moving their factories to China, disebabkan oleh lower cost of almost everything. Low cost of production, low cost of human capital, in terms of paying the salaries and so on, right? So that's why they are moving to China to cut the cost, right? And it's not happen in China. It's also happening in Vietnam, right? Dulu-dulu juga like Japanese government and also Japanese factories also moving their factories to Malaysia because of this matter, because of low cost of production. So managerial and marketing costs also can be minimized. So of course, prior to that, they have to do the SWOT analysis first. Find what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses, what are the opportunities that they can grab, and also what are the threats that coming in if they actually move their factories and so on. So for international banking as well, they can actually grab these opportunities when these large companies or large multinational corporations moving to another countries, so they can deal with them. Right? So this is what does it mean by low marginal cost. Number 3, knowledge advantage. So knowledge is a major driver in terms of customer services, creativity and innovation, and revenue growth. Okay, so customer satisfaction can be maintained by engaging with the local partners through the collaborations of skills and knowledge, as this will deliver better product and services. And plus, they also can create hybrid products and services. Hybrid product could be terms of two-in-one products, right? So two-in-one products and services that can be introduced in order to cater the demands from local and foreign markets. So it could be like they can offer deposits, and in one product they can offer deposits, savings, and also at the same time they can also offer loans. Right? So it's a kind of hybrid product. Okay, or bonds, something like that. Okay, and on the other hand, the foreign bank subsidiary can draw on the parent's bank knowledge of personal contacts and credit investigation for use in that foreign market, right? When they move to another country, of course, they do not have any information regards to the local customer over there. Let's say if you are expanding your banks, let's say Maybank expanding their services in China. So of course, Maybank Malaysia in China would not have this concrete information about the customers over there, the personal contacts, the credit investigation. So this is the time where they have to cooperate with the local bank over there, right, to share the informations regards to the customers, what are the behavior of the customers over there, and also they also have to cooperate with the governments over there, right? So this is a kind of example lah, kan. So knowledge advantage ni sangat penting. bank also focus on the performance, especially bila bila international banking tu cuba improve dia punya customer service. Of course, they are trying to improve their performance. They wanted to know more. Does the customers really satisfied with their product and so on, right? So this is what does it mean. Also, they are looking for competitive advantage, innovation, information system. So this is the kind of part where they could actually try to improve. Of course, this will happen when they try to cooperate with the another local bank that they are trying to work with at the country. So contoh macam tadilah. So kalau dia let's say like Maybank Malaysia try to open their activities and also offer product and services in China. Of course, at the same time, they also have to cooperate with the local bank over there, the people over there, the governments, in order to improve their products and services. So, in terms of knowledge advantage as well, the ability of the human capitals also need to be highlighted. Modal insan, kan human capital sangat penting. So this can be done by engaging with the training institutions in order to produce a pool talent of banking officers who are able to solve problems pertaining to complex products or services. So mereka memerlukan staff yang terlatih, okay, bila mereka move to the another countries. Bila kita move to another countries, masalah pertama biasanya adalah bahasa, kan? Bahasa. So that's why if you are moving to countries with higher education levels, it will be easier actually kalau semua staff tu especially boleh berbahasa Inggeris, for example. Just a simple example so that you understand. Dan kalau you move to China, macam tadi, of course, dalam masa yang sama, mereka memerlukan staff yang fasih berbahasa Mandarin dan juga staff yang boleh berbahasa English, kan? So, ini sangat penting. Dan juga they also need to train their staff over there, okay, on how to handle their products and services. Mungkin produk dan services yang kita bawa daripada Maybank ke China tadi adalah berbeza sikit dengan whatever that they've been practiced in China, kan? So ini memerlukan kepakaran jugalah, right? So of course cost akan ada dekat sini untuk training the staff, but the benefit is that they can gain the knowledge advantage. Sama juga if they move to Japan, if Japan banks moving to Malaysia, also the same thing. Okay, so this is the third factor that actually urge the international banking to grow further because of knowledge advantage. Number 4, because of information services. So I'll see you this one in another video.